How to post a song to Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can post a song to Spotify, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you'd like to post a song to Spotify, you need to have an artist account. To have an artist account, just come to artist.spotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description below. Once you're here on this page, make sure you're signed in because you'll see the login option here. After that, click the Get Access button here, as you can see from the top right. Now you can see it says Get Access to Spotify for Artists. Select whether you want to claim an label team member or whether you're an artist or manager. Once you select either of these options, just make sure to select a profile that you'd like to claim. So if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to stats, pitch tracks, and now editors and more. So click the Continue button. Make sure this is the right account and then just click the next option. Simply make sure to select your profile that you'd like to claim. So just go ahead and search for the artist profile you want to claim and then simply search for them. If that is available, you should be able to go ahead and then simply search for the team members. This way you'll be able to post a song to Spotify after you create an artist account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.